I can't do this. This is weird. Oh, it's been a long time. What's up, guys? It's your girl Lovely Taylor, and I'm back at it again with another video. So it is 2022. Happy New Year to you. I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded to this channel, but I would like to say thank you to everyone who are subscribed and who are still subscribed and who have not unsubscribed to this channel. I have been through ups and downs and really undecisive when it comes to this channel. Without further ado, if you have not already liked, comment, and subscribe, don't forget to do that, and let's get right into this video. I'm going to be filling in my brows. Don't talk about my legs, mind your business. I'm going to be filling in my brows today. I'm going to be giving you guys an updated eyebrow tutorial. Look at these brows. Look at them. Look at them. They need some work. So to set my brows, I'm going in with my black Radiance True Complexion loose setting powder. You see it? Can you see it? So here you're just gonna take that loose setting powder and dab that all over your brows. Alright, so I went ahead and filled in one of my brows already. Yeah, look at that. Get into it. Ooh, hold on, wait. Ooh, girl, that's cute. I'm just going to take a brow pencil. I don't know where I got this from. I got it from my local hair store. Yeah, y'all see it. Hold on. Got it from my local hair store. And I'm gonna just fill my brow in. I'm gonna go in with nice slow strokes starting under my brow, because I have not gotten them trimmed yet, so I'm gonna go under. And start off with light strokes in the middle. So here you're going to see me take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to just put that on my brush, and I'm going to go under my brow as flat as possible to really give me that look that I'm going for. So here you're going to see me really take that concealer on that brush and try to smooth it out as possible, because you really want to make sure that you're following the lining of your brow and not overdoing it, or, you know, like pressing too hard. Because baby, I've seen some brows and they not nice. So if you're going for a natural look, you're going to want to blend out that concealer as much as possible. And get into it just like that. Those brows are on fleek. Do we say fleek still? Alright guys, so that is pretty much it to how I fill my brows in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And most of all, don't forget to check out the description box. And thanks for watching.